Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this lecture series, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from analog electronics in the year 1999. Okay, the question is to avoid thermal runaway in the design of an analog circuit, the operating point of the BJT should be such that it satisfies the following condition. At first, we have to know what is thermal runaway. Okay, thermal runaway is thermal runaway. Thermal runaway is self-destruction of unbiased transistor. Okay, how it is self-destruct? Now we have to I elaborate this thing. Suppose in CE mode, okay, transistor in CE mode, IC equal to what? IC equal to beta into IB plus beta plus 1 ICBO, right, where IB is base current and ICBO which is reverse saturation current. Okay, reverse saturation current due to minority carriers. Okay, minority carriers. Okay, and what is minority carrier? The minority carrier is electron for p-type semiconductor and hole for n-type semiconductor. Okay, this minority carrier this minority carrier is dependent on temperature. If the temperature is increases, suppose if temperature is increase, this minority carrier concentration increase, and when the minority carrier concentration increase, this increase the value of ICBO because it is the current flow through minority carrier. The minority carrier concentration increase, reverse saturation current ICBO is also increase. If ICBO is increase, this ratio, this beta plus 1 ICBO CBO, that is also increase. Okay, because ICBO increase, that means beta plus 1 ICBO increase. When this value is increased, the total collector current is increased. When the total collector current increase, it increase the temperature again. It is again increase the temperature. When the temperature increase, MCC minority carrier concentration increase, and when the minority carrier concentration increase, the again this ICBO increase. So it is a repetitive process, and if it is not controlled in a such a way that that the collector current is increasing too much high, at a certain point the transistor is destroyed due to increasing of temperature. This point or this thing is called thermal runaway. Okay, and now you have to know one thing, that this operating point is VCE always to be less than equal to half VCC. If given a supply voltage VCC, the operating point VC is always is less than equal to half VCC. You have to remember that. Okay, so now go to the question. Option VC equal to half VCC. No, VCC less than equal to half VCC. That's the right answer. Okay, so the operating point VC is always less than equal to half VCC. The option B is the right answer. Okay, thank you.